when companies pursue automation or transformation projects, what truly makes them successful, and where do these initiatives most often stumble? And what can leaders do proactively to avoid those mistakes?
Well, yeah, this is a bit of a piggyback on the last question, which
Exactly.
is, 15 years ago when people did automation projects, it was a multi-year process, as in you took 18 months to do the design, to do the system setup, to figure out specifically what type of automation and where does that automation get deployed. And then it took another 18 months to actually get it implemented, get it sussed out, get it, fire tested, et cetera. That's a 3-year cycle. And I think because of the rapid rise of things like e-commerce, of cloud type applications that have a bearing on what's on-prem versus on edge versus in the cloud, all of those things have led to we don't have 3 years to figure this out and get something operational. We've got to do something in the next 3 months. So flexible automation, i.e. robotics and in-motion assets, you can deploy in a much more finite way of understanding here's a use case, here's technology that fits that use case, and it doesn't cost $30 million. We can start with a pilot for, something significantly less than 30 million. Maybe it's a, 1 to 3 million for a pilot and it works well, or we tweak it and we find a different case for it. But you can start that way without a complete disruption of the overall or the entire operation in order to get automation going. So I think that's a significant area where there's been a lot of change in our space as well.